Assalamualaikum, peace for all of us. I will explain the material names of component engines, but before that, may I introduce myself first. My name is Ahmad Lafarelana Midiansyah. I'm a first grade of 4-wheel class of SMK PKRI 3 Malang. Okay, let me explain. First, engine block. The block is the main part of the engines. All other parts of the motor are essentially bolted to it. Inside the block is where the magic happens, such a combustion. Second, piston are a cylindrical apparatus with a flat surface on top. The role of the piston is to transfer energy created from combustion to the crankshaft to propel the vehicle. Pistons travel up and down within the cylinder twice during each rotation of the crankshaft. Piston and engine that rotate at 1250 rpm will travel up and down 2500 times per minute. Inside the piston lie piston rings that are made to help create compression and reduce the friction from the constant rubbing of the cylinder. Third, cylinder head. Attached to the engine through cylinder bolts, soldered with the head gasket. The cylinder head contains many items including the valve springs, valves, levers, push rods, rockers, and camshaft to control passageways that allow flow of intake air into the cylinder during the intake stroke, as well as exhaust passage that remove exhaust gases during the exhaust stroke. Fourth, crankshaft. The crankshaft is located in the lower section of the engine block. Within the crankshaft journals, an area of the shaft that rests on the bearing. This cantilever machine and balance mechanism in connect to the piston through the connection rod, similar to how a jack in the box operates. The crankshaft turns the piston up and down motion into a reciprocal motion at engine speed. 5. Camshaft. Camshaft varying from vehicle to vehicle. The camshaft may either be located within the engine block or in the cylinder head. Many modern vehicles have them in the cylinder head, also known as dual overhead camshaft or single overhead camshaft, and supported by a sequence of bearings that are lubricated in oil for longevity. The role of the camshaft is to regulate the timing of the opening and closing of valves, and take the rotary motion from the crankshaft and transfer it to an up and down motion to control the movement of the lifters, moving the pushrod, rockers, and valves. 6. Valves. The valves regulate the flow of air, fuel and exhaust fumes inside the cylinder head. There are both intake valves and exhaust valves. 7th, timing belt or chain. The camshaft and crankshaft are synchronized to ensure the precious timing in order for the engine to run properly. The belt is made of a heavy-duty rubber with hooks to grab the pulleys from the camshaft and crankshaft. The chains, similar to your bicycle chain, wraps around pulleys with teeth. Maybe that's all I can say about the material names of component engine, and I will say thank you for watching my content, and bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Ojo lala, like, comment, and subscribe. Aku tak kacatan di omahe Cak Met sih. Berkati akeh. Big, like, sound, big, like, sound, white boy.